Hello, Max. What are you doing here at the vet?
Hi, Anna. My dog Rex has a problem with his ear.
Oh, poor Rex. My cat, Luna, needs her annual checkup.
Luna looks very calm in her small box.
She is a quiet cat, but Rex is very loud today.
He is nervous. He does not like the clinic.
Many animals are afraid of the doctor. It is normal.
Rex, sit down. Be a good boy, please.
Is his ear very red? Let me see.
Yes, it is red and warm. He scratches it.
Maybe it is an allergy. Did he eat something new?
He ate some cheese yesterday. Maybe that is why.
Dogs should not eat too much cheese, Max.
I know, but he has such big, sad eyes.
They are masters of the sad look.
How old is Luna now? She looks very small.
She is 2 years old. She is a young lady.
Rex is 5. He is a big, strong man.
Look at that parrot. It is so colorful.
It is green and red. It is beautiful.
The clinic is very busy today. Many people are here.
There is a small rabbit, too. It is eating.
Animals are so cute. I want to help them.
You have a big heart, Anna. That is nice.
Is that the nurse? No, she is talking to a lady.
We have to wait. Let us read this magazine.
It is about horses. I like horses very much.
Horses are noble, but too big for a flat.
Yes, a horse in a flat is bad.
We are next. Let us go to the room together. Anna, can you help me? Rex is very heavy.
Of course. Let us put him on this table.
1, 2, 3, hop. Good boy, Rex.
Now, let us look at the ear. I have a small light.
It looks very red inside. Do you see anything?
I see some dirt and a bit of red skin.
The doctor said on the phone it is a small infection.
I have the cleaning liquid here. Hold his head, Max.
I am holding him. He is shaking a little bit.
Stay still, Rex. This will help you feel better.
He is very brave. He is not crying.
You are a good dog dad, Max. You are very gentle.
I am worried about him. He is my best friend.
I am putting the drops in now. 1, 2.
Should I massage the ear now?
Yes, softly. That helps the medicine go inside.
Rex likes that. He is closing his eyes.
See? He is relaxed now. You are doing great.
No more cheese for him this week. Only healthy food.
Yes, and no swimming in the lake, Max.
I will remember. Keep the ear dry and clean.
We are finished with Rex. He can go down now.
You are a big boy. Go to the floor.
He's wagging his tail. He is happy.
Thank you for the help, Anna. I was nervous.
We are a team. Now let us look at Luna.
Is Luna ready? She is very quiet in there.
She is sleeping. She is always very calm.
Let us check her weight on the scale.
Okay, put the box on the scale, Max. Look, the scale says 4 kilograms.
Is that a good weight for a cat?
Yes, for Luna, it is perfect. She is fit.
She has very white and soft hair.
I brush her every day. She loves it.
Let us check her teeth. Can you open her mouth?
Look, Max, are they white?
Yes, they look very clean and strong.
I give her special food for her teeth.
That is smart. Rex needs that too.
Look at her green eyes. They are very bright.
She is a very beautiful cat, Anna.
I need to give her a vitamin pill now.
Can I help you? I can hold her body.
Yes, hold her front legs softly, please.
I have her. She is very small and warm.
Done. She is a very good girl.
That was fast. You are a professional, Anna.
I have a lot of practice. Luna is easy.
Does she need any more medicine today?
No, just her vitamins and healthy food.
I am happy our pets are okay.
Me too, Max. Health is the most important thing.
Let us put her back in the carrier.
Rest now, Luna. We are going soon.
Do we need to buy anything else here?
Yes, I want to see the shop in the lobby.
Good idea. I need a new leash for Rex.
Let us go together. Rex, come here.
Let's go and find some toys.
Look at all these toys, Max. Luna needs one.
And Rex needs a new leash. Look at this blue one.
The blue is nice, but this pink collar is cute.
Pink for Luna and blue for Rex. Perfect.
Does the collar have a bell? I want to hear her.
Yes, it has a small silver bell.
Do you like it, Max?
Yes, it is very stylish. Luna will be a star.
Look at this ball. It is for dogs.
Rex loves balls. I will take 3.
3 balls? He will lose them in the park.
You are right. He is a silly boy.
I am taking this toy mouse for Luna.
It has catnip. Luna will go crazy.
I want to see that. It will be funny.
We need a new brush for the hair.
This one is soft. It is good for cats and dogs.
I will take the soft brush too.
Our pets are very lucky. They have us.
And we are lucky to have them, Anna.
Look at these treats. Healthy heart treats.
I will buy a bag for Rex. No cheese today.
Good. I am taking some fish treats for Luna.
The basket is very full now. Are we finished?
I think so. We have everything we need.
Let us check the total price.
It is okay. It is for our best friends.
You are a very kind person, Anna.
And you are a great dog dad, Max.
Let us go to the cashier now.
Here is the cashier. We are together.
I will put my things on the table first.
I have the vitamins, the mouse, and the collar.
And I have the leash, the balls, and the eardrops.
We are paying separately, right?
Yes, this is my part. Here is my card.
And here's mine. Beep. It is done.
We have the bags now. Let us go outside.
The sun is very bright. It is a beautiful day.
Rex is pulling the leash. He wants to go to the park.
Luna is sleeping in her box. She is tired.
I can walk with you to your house, Anna.
That is very nice of you. Is it far?
No, it is only 10 minutes from here.
I like walking with you. It is very pleasant.
Me too. We can talk about our week.
My week was very busy. I worked a lot.
My week was okay, but I missed the park.
Now you are in the park. Enjoy the air.
Look at Rex. He is smelling the flowers.
He is a very happy dog now.
Are you busy on Sunday, Anna?
No, I am free. Why do you ask?
Let us have a coffee, just you and me.
A coffee sounds perfect. No pets?
No pets, just a normal coffee.
I would love that. Sunday at 10?
Yes, 10 o'clock at the Central Cafe.
Great. Here is my house. Thank you, Max.
Goodbye, Anna. See you on Sunday.
Come in, Max. Welcome to my living room.
Thank you. It is very cozy here.
Let us take Luna out of the box.
Come out, Luna. You are home.
Look, she's going straight to the sofa.
She is a princess, and look at her new collar.
It looks beautiful on her white hair.
I am sitting down. My legs are tired.
I will make some tea for us. Do you want honey?
Yes, please. Honey is very healthy.
Here is your tea, Max.
Thank you. This is very relaxing.
Luna is playing with the toy mouse now.
Look at her. She is very fast and funny.
She loves the catnip. She is very happy.
Rex is sleeping at my feet. He is very quiet.
He is a good dog. He likes your company.
We had a long morning, but it was a good day.
Yes, our pets are healthy and happy.
And we have a date on Sunday.
Yes, we have a coffee date.
I am looking forward to it, Anna.
Me too, Max. You are a good friend.
You are the best friend, Anna.
The sun is going down. The light is orange.
It is very peaceful. I like this moment.
Me too. No stress, just tea and pets.
I should go now. Rex needs to eat his dinner.
Okay, Max. Thank you for the help today.
Anytime, Anna. See you on Sunday.